Good day, I'm Sherry Burke and I'm one of the surgery coordinators at International Patient Facilitators, and I wanted to talk to you about specifically the gastric sleeve or VSG, vertical sleeve gastrectomy procedure, and how this works when choosing to have your gastric sleeve surgery in Cancun or Tijuana, Mexico with International Patient Facilitators and the team of Dr. Sergio Verbunin. During the gastric sleeve procedure, your bariatric surgeon will remove approximately 85% of the stomach so that it takes the shape of a tube or a sleeve. The surgery is performed laparoscopically, meaning that the surgeon makes small incisions as opposed to one large incision. A viewing tube with a small camera is inserted as well as other tiny instruments to remove part of the stomach. The tube-shaped stomach that is left is sealed closed with staples and sewed over for double protection. This procedure is performed with the surgical team of Dr. Sergio Verbunin in both Cancun and in Tijuana, Mexico. The VSG is a tool for long-term healthy weight loss. The gastric sleeve reduces the amount of food that your stomach can hold at one time. This helps you gradually lose weight and keep it off. All patients follow a pre-op diet for approximately 1 to 2 weeks prior to surgery, depending on their BMI. The purpose of the diet is to shrink the liver and prevent complications during surgery. The first step is inquiring about our services over the internet or by calling our 1-800 number. It's on the screen. You'll receive a call from one of our surgery coordinators or from myself in an email with the pricing and information for both locations in Cancun and in Tijuana. If choosing Tijuana for your VSG surgery, you'll be assisted with choosing dates. You'll then be assisted with purchasing airline tickets. Let's use arriving next Friday as an example to follow. Let's say you arrive next Friday in San Diego. You'll be met at the airport by our chauffeur. The drive from the airport to the Tijuana-San Diego border is about 10 minutes. Our location at the Obesity Goodbye Center is approximately 20 seconds across the border on the Tijuana side. You'll be greeted by our team and have your pre-op lab work, EKG, and chest X-ray performed. Fill out all your paperwork and consent forms, make your final payment, meet your surgical team to discuss your procedure, and get prepped for surgery. Once the surgery is complete, you'll spend 2 nights with us. You will once again meet with your surgical team on Sunday to perform your post-op testing and get released. We'll give you your post-op indications and you'll be on your way either back to the US to catch your flight home or to one of our 5-star hotels to spend an additional night. If choosing Cancun for your VSG surgery, the organization is basically the same. We operate in Cancun twice a month on Fridays and Saturdays. Patients arriving on Thursday in Cancun for pre-op work and surgery on Friday. We offer full ground transportation to all our patients. We pick patients up from their accommodations on Friday morning for pre-op work, EKG, and chest X-ray. Then they get prepped for surgery, make final payment, meet with the surgical team, and have surgery, then spend 2 nights with us at the Surgery Center Hospital in Cancun. They are released after meeting with their surgical team and having their post-op testing performed. And they're then chauffeured back to their accommodations and back to the airport the next day. Now, we ask patients to stay in touch with us on a daily basis for the first month post-op in order to follow their progress. If patients have questions post-op, we guarantee them that they'll be able to discuss their questions directly with their chief surgeon within 1 to 2 hours. For any additional questions, please email us or phone us directly. It's our job to provide patients with the information that they require to make a well-informed, educated decision to have their vertical sleeve gastrectomy procedure performed with us and the surgical team of Dr. Verbunin, either in Cancun or in Tijuana, Mexico.